All right. Ryan, looks like you have a question.
Well, I have a question for Teo. If it was a y value, wouldn't you do the opposite of the x? So wouldn't you divide, maybe?
Yeah. I don't know, maybe the answer is Griffin.
Griffin, do you want to respond to that?
Yeah, well, I did it backwards and I said +3 instead of -3 and then divided by 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3, divided by 3 is 1.
So we're doing a lot of talking about this rule. What is the rule? Can we write a rule here? That might help us to understand what Griffin was just saying by working backwards. Maddie?
X3 divided by 3.
Oh, right, because you don't
X3 minus.
X3 minus 3. Can you just kind of walk us through what are these things here?
It's X3 minus X times 3.
Okay. So x3 means x times 3, and then take away 3. So I see some silent disagreement around the room. Is there anyone that cares to make a comment about that? Sam Adams.
Well, maybe you could change that. I agree with x3 minus 3 equals y, but maybe you can add something to it. X3 minus 3 equals y.
Oh, okay. So you would just like to add equals y.
If something, I would be unclear.
My apologies for running out of space on my card here, but I've written equals y there. I think that's a nice suggestion. I see some more silent disagreement in the room. Yes, Jonah.
I think it would just make more sense if it was times 3 and minus 3. Not x3 minus 3, it just doesn't really...
So what do you propose though?
Instead of like saying x, that can sound like it's like a number instead of 3. It should just be times 3 minus 3.
On our chart, so you're saying times 3 minus 3.
Yeah.
That's how you want to define that rule?
Or put the dot there
Okay.
or something.
It just doesn't...
Morgan. And so x dot 3 minus 3. All right.
Numbers mixed around. I think it's 3x minus 3.
Okay. I'd write it 3x minus 3. Why is this more right than this? Or is it more right than that? Do Maddie and Teo disagree? Turn to your partner and have that conversation.
I think it could be x groups of 3 or 3 groups of x. It's like yesterday, 4 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 4. It's the same thing, but if you have, if it matters in places like if you have to get like groups, like if you have to get, like if you get 4 groups of 2, it's different than getting 2 groups of 4.
Oh, I get it.
Great, I heard some great conversations happening around the room. Would anyone care to repeat out what they heard at their tables? Caitlin.
We thought that like the x should go after the 3 because that was in CPM.
Oh, so the book told me to do it.
Yeah.
So it must be right.
The book made me do it.